how to log in into Binance account on mobile. First of all, you have to launch the Binance application in your mobile device. If you don't have the application, you can install that from the Google Play Store if you use Android, or if you use iOS, you can install it from the Apple App Store. Once you have opened up the application, here you have two options. It says, I'm new to crypto or I'm familiar with crypto. If you already have an existing account, tap on the second one, that is, I'm familiar with crypto. Now you will be taken into the login page. If you have created your account with Google or Telegram account, you can continue with that. Or if you have created using your email or phone number, tap on this text box. Now enter your email or your phone number associated with your account. Then tap on next. After that, it's gonna ask you to enter your password. Type in the password associated with your account. Then tap on login. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you have to complete the two-factor authentication verification. And once verified, you will be logged in into your account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.